I have invested $20. Now let's see if I can withdraw them and how much profit it gives me. How's it going, guys? How are you all doing? I hope you are incredibly well. Today I bring you another staking investment platform where you can earn passive income with small investments. We are going to analyze if it is still paying, if it is still working perfectly well. So stay in this video and don't miss what's coming next. But before we move on to watch the video itself, I want to mention that you'll be participating in a $5 giveaway just for commenting right in the comment box. You leave any comment you think is appropriate, and just with that you'll be participating in each of my channels, whether it's the Spanish channel, the English channel, or the Portuguese channel. And you'll see the results from each video in today's video, meaning that today you'll see the winner from the previous video. Very important, if you comment on the English YouTube channel, the comment has to be in English. If you comment on the Portuguese channel, you just need to leave the comment in Portuguese. And right down here, you'll put your comment in Spanish to be able to participate. That's enough. Alright guys, the platform I am presenting to you today is called Avac Staking. And the first thing you need to do to access the platform is to go to the description of this video, where you will find an official link to access the platform to register. Once you access through that link, something like what you are seeing here will appear. You will see it just as you are seeing it now, audited uncertainty, and we will click directly on start. We click directly on it. Once here, the first thing you need to do is go to the registration section. We click on it as well. Once here, we will simply proceed to register. For this, we simply click on email right here. We set a login password and also set a security password to be able to make withdrawals. They will ask you for this password here. We verify the referral code as well, click on register, and that's it. Once here, you will see more or less what you're seeing now. This would be the initial platform where we can perform staking. We can make deposits and we can also make withdrawals. I am going to explain absolutely everything so you don't miss any details. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to make a withdrawal so we can see if this platform is paying. Notice that I have $3 here. To do this, we simply click on withdraw, and right in this section, you can select two payment methods, either by Terex or the B20 in USDT. I recommend the B20 USDT since the minimum withdrawal for B20 USDT is 2 USDT. In this case, since I have 3, I suppose there won't be any problem. So let's proceed and we'll do it directly. If you select the B20 USDT wallet, which wallet do I recommend? Go directly to MetaMask. We click on it. I'm going to select, for example, this one here. Give me a moment. I'm going to select this one here. I am going to copy the link. Let's see exactly how much USDT I have. If you notice here, I only have 0.01 USDT, which is practically nothing. And we are going to put the address here. Control tapu baviedan tato to paste. We enter the withdrawal amount, which in this case will be everything. And here I am going to enter the security password. Once the password is entered, we click directly on confirm. We will do all the steps in real time so that you don't experience any kind of loss. It shows me here that it says successful withdrawal. So let's analyze and check our wallet to see how long it takes to arrive. As you can see, it hasn't arrived yet. We'll wait a few minutes and then I'll show you. And very well guys, in practically 1 minute, which is the usual time it takes for the merchant page network to operate, we already have the 3.01 USDT here. We see it directly here. First of all, and being here in the history, I will tell you that I already made a deposit of $100, which you can see right here. This is to see if the platform is still working to generate an income to be able to make a withdrawal that can be shown. And I also made another withdrawal directly to verify that the platform allows withdrawals. I did this off camera before showing the video. So now I'm going to explain how to make the recharge, which is extremely easy. We simply click on recharge, which is right here. We will do everything in real time. We can select TRC20, but we are going to select B20 USDT again to make the deposit. We copy this address that we have here. We simply go to our MetaMask wallet. We go to the send section. At this point here, we simply press Ctrl-V to paste the address. We select USDT. We enter the amount we want to send. For example, $20. We click confirm, and that's it. That's how easy and simple it is to send money to the platform. And very well, once we have the money inside the platform, in this case, we have 20 USD here, we are going to perform staking. This is extremely simple. You just select the amount to stake. I am going to put in the $20, and you can also choose the amount of time you want to make the investment. I am going to set it for 28 days, during which the $20 should convert into 84 USD. This will generate for me a 15% return on the investment per day, which will be about 3 USDT each day. So we simply click on staking and it will start operating. And as you can see in this section here, it has already started working. Now we have to wait for the profit to appear here directly after 24 hours have passed. I should also tell you that this platform has a referral program where you will find bonuses of 10% at the first level, 2% at the second level, and 1% at the third level from everything that the people you invite to the platform invest. Here you will have your list of referrals, also your referral code, and you will be able to share it with your friends. Alright guys, let's pick the winner of the last giveaway we have on the channel. For that, we go directly to the last video we have here, which is this one right here, which is also about a staking platform. I'm going to pause it so it doesn't play twice. Control C to copy. Let's go directly to the giveaway app. Control V, we paste it and we hit start. We load the comments and wait a second. Once here, we simply filter out the duplicates. We go directly to confirm. We hit start and in just 10 seconds we have the winner. Or the winner of this giveaway. And thanking everyone for being active on the channel. So congratulations to everyone for participating in each of the giveaways. The winner would be Eduard007R. Congratulations. So guys, I've practically explained everything you need to know. Be aware before making an investment. Thoroughly analyze the projects and platforms. And remember that it is quite volatile and there is always a lot of risk whenever you make an investment. This platform provides or grants passive income. I hope you enjoy it and make the most of it. I bid you farewell here, sending you a kiss and a hug. Thank you very much for always being there. And we'll see each other, as I always say, in the next video. Bye bye.
Seems now we just see everything we believe.